do understand that this is a major inconvenience. We have aging infrastructure in the Baltimore area. This is part of that aging infrastructure. So although Baltimore County's been planning for a water line replacement in that area, unfortunately we've had this break before that's occurred.
It's almost a yearly occurrence. It seems to happen more in fall. So I've owned the property here for since around 2011. I put a ton of money into the property to beautify it, to make it look nice. Over the past 5 to 7-ish years, we've had flooding like this 4 or 5 different times. This is the worst of it. The county won't take responsibility. They point the finger at the city. The city says it's the county's pipes, it's the city's water, and vice versa. So nobody does anything. My tax dollars shouldn't have to go to pay for this.